Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to print headings in WPS Spreadsheet. So if you want to do it, first you need to go to Page Layout Settings, and here you need to open Print Preview. How you see, on default headings are not visible here, so if you want to enable it, you need to exit Print Preview, and then you need to check this option, Print Headings. This option will let you to print row and column headings. Row headings are the row numbers to the side of the sheet, and column headings are the letters or numbers that appear above the columns on a sheet. So we need to check this option, and after that we need to go back to print preview mode. Then you will see that the headings have been successfully added to print area. So in this way you can easily add it in WPS Spreadsheet. Of course, if you want to disable it, you need to go back to these settings. So we need to click exit print preview, and we need to uncheck this option. Then again, it will not be visible on the print preview. So it is how it works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solves your problem.